You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. For more vocabulary and more correct pronunciations in English, stay tuned to the channel. Got tons more for you coming up. American and British pronunciations in English are similar here. Disgrace. This, a short E sound. This. Grace. You could spell it G-R-A-Y-S. Grace. The stress goes on that grace syllable. Disgrace. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.